will be shattered, legends made, a true warrior created. This epic showdown is not for the weak of heart.
Well, you can't shoot very good, right?
In the most anticipated event of the year, who has what it takes? Many have come before, but none have conquered. The challenge? Consume the entire contents of the vending machine. Left to right, top to bottom, working against the clock, all within a single 8-hour time frame. There can be only one. The winner will earn the coveted title of World Heavyweight Vending Machine Champion. The challengers arrive, hungry for victory.
Who's running my belly?
But the reigning champion must defend his title.
I am ready for this battle. They don't stand a chance. I eat Synacorians like them for breakfast. I cannot be defeated.
They all have heart. They all are strong. It comes down to this. Who wants it more?
I will break you.
Is the hungriest? Who has the heart of a champion?
Carry on, morons. You really need to work on it. You're eating more, you have to exercise at eating it.
You guys actually could be on 1,000 Ways to Die, that show.
This is like a cinder block.
There will be an executive override.
Good.
You're almost there. Would you like us to do a cheer?
You just put honorable man in the civil sector. There's no such thing.
Ha 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 ha.